If you're watching this video, it must be time to change the vehicle battery key. First, remove any key rings attached to the fob. Next, remove the emergency key. This is done by sliding over the release button and pull out the key. Next, remove the battery cover by simply placing your fingernail underneath the cover and pulling it out. The battery will easily be removed. The battery replacement number is CR2032. When you have a new one, just pop it in like this. When in place, reattach the cover by pressing it together. Finally, insert the emergency key back in place. Reattach your key ring if required. There you have it. You're good to go and safe driving.